Population and unemployment. Population, size, growth, and structure play an important role in economic and social development. It is from this point that statistics related to population is an indicator of development, planning, economic policy, framework, and growth and development. According to the report of the National Statistics and Information Agency, the total population of the country in the year 1400 is estimated to be 33.6 million of people, of which 51% are male and 49% are female. The distribution of population in urban and rural areas showed that 23.8 million people live in rural areas and 8.3 million people live in the urban areas, and 1.5 million are nomads. Afghanistan is also full of youth, which is a good feature.